Yeah, welcome to the live session brought to you by My Skills, My Future. How are you all? So, a great time to meet once again with the quantitative aptitude. To do any problem from quantitative aptitude, we must get ready with the basic concept of each and every topic, especially like pure maths topics. Concepts you must get ready, like mensuration, prepare all the rules and regulations. Right? Fine. Now, before going to start the session, I would like to suggest you should not read the whole question at a time. It's a waste of time. Read sentence wise, try to understand, present it. At the end of the problem, we get the answer. That means not only learning the numerical skills, but also comprehensive skills. If you are good at these two areas, then you can get success in doing the question within the stipulated time. Fine. Okay. So once again, good morning to all. Welcome all of you, those who are attending this session. Great time here, Maharani, as well as right Kabir and Sheikh Farida. Very good morning all. Right. So I hope my voice is audible to everyone. Great. So let me share my first question. Wonderful. Right. Now here, the question is, A, B, C, each working alone can finish a work in 27, 33, 45 days. Great. Now I write A capacity, okay, right. A capacity is given. Okay, A capacity, A can do a work in 27 days, B in 33 days, C in 45 days. Wonderful. Now, continuation of this question, A start by working alone for 12 days. Now in this question, A started the work for 12 days alone, then B takes over from A. That means A left the job. Now he worked for 11 days. B took for 11 days. At this stage, C takes over from B and completes the remaining work. We don't know how many number of days C worked. Let us take X. Remaining work is completed by C. Fine. Okay. Now, so how many days the whole work was completed? Now the question is given very clear. First person worked for 12 days. Second person worked for 11 days separately. They have not worked together. One after other they are doing. Finally, C is doing some days to finish the work. Great. Now can you please tell me the answer for this? Can you, one of you, share the answer? Yeah, welcome Yamini. Good morning, Amma. Well done. Now, 33, Maharani. Great, Amma. Let me continue. Now, see, A one day work is 1 by 27. Like that, he worked for 12 days. Right. B one day work is 1 by 33. So 11 days he worked. C one day work is 1 by 45. Like that, worked for X days, then one work is completed. Clear? Right. Now, let me simplify. This part is 3 nines, 3 fours. So if I take 9 LCM, it is 4 plus 3, 7 by 9. Send this side, it will become 2 by 7. Right. So X by 45. Okay. So this is 2 by 9. 9 5s are, it is nothing but 10. X is nothing but 10, where X is the number of days done by C, 10. Fine. How many number of days whole work is completed? Great. 12 plus 11 plus 10. So 21 plus 12, absolutely 33. So your answer is first choice. Great, Maharani. Good, Amma. Right? Wonderful. Your answer is absolutely right. Now the question is very clear. This is the strategical way of doing the problem within few steps. Is it right? Hope you are comfortable. Let me go to the next question. Right. Now in this question, Surf gave 25% of her monthly salary to her mother. Surf is the person, right? So is the person. Gave 25% of her monthly salary to her mother. Great. What is the salary of Surf? Let us take monthly salary is nothing but X. Right. So out of X, 25% give to her mother. Next. From the remaining salary, how much? Remaining means 75% of the salary. Remaining salary, she paid 15% towards rent and 25% she kept her monthly expenditure. Great. Super. Now, the remaining amount kept in the bank. Wonderful. Now, we completed up to this. Now, the question is given. Some of the amounts she kept in the bank, right? And she gave it to her mother. She gave it to her mother was 42,000, right? Now, what was her monthly salary? Yeah, come on. One of you please. I think question is very clearly given. Of course, this comes in terms of percentage, right? But there is no, you don't find any huge calculations of this. Right. Great. Yes, please. Okay, done. We'll do it. Now, first, she gave to her mother is 25% of X plus, because he said sum of, right? 15% and 25%, it is nothing but 40%. Remaining, right? Remaining, he kept in the bank. Remaining means 60%, right? 60% of 75% of X. So 60% of, right, 75% of X, which is equal to 42,000. I think you understood this expression is clearly, right? Now the calculation, 1/4 of X plus 60%, 23s, 25s into 3/4 part of X is equal to 42,000, right? Now calculation, it is nothing but 20, okay? So 5 plus 9, 5 plus 9 is 14x, right? Is equal to 42,000 into 20. Now calculation is clear, 3, so 60,000 is the salary of Surf. So your answer is very clear, B. I hope you understood. Excellent, Maharani. Good, Amma. Good. Good response from all of you. Like Yamini, wonderful, right? So the question is given very clear. Only thing is we need to try to understand sentence wise. Should not go back and come front again and again, right? Now this is very clear information, right? So let me switch over to the next problem. Great. Roni invested rupees P in a scheme of A offering simple interest of 12% for 2 years, right? Scheme A, right? Invested rupees P, right? For 12% per annum, 2 years. Great. What is the interest she'll get? It is absolutely 24p by 100. Right? It is the interest, simple. He invests the whole amount, whole in the sense, amount is equal to, right? P plus I, okay? P plus I. So if I take this one, it will become 124p by 100. It is nothing but 1.24p. Great. Right? This amount is received from A and he kept in another scheme, right? So in scheme B invested. Now the principle is very clear, 124p by 100, right? For how many years? 15% for 2 years, right? What is the interest now? Again we calculate interest is equal to 124p by 100 into 15 into 2 by 100. Is it right? Now calculation is clear, right? It is 30, 0 cancel, 3 4s are 12, 1, 6, 7, 3. So 3 zeros, point here, P. Great. Now this is called interest. Is it right? So in the initial stage, interest is 0.24 P. This is nothing but 0.24 P, interest. Now the question is, difference between interest earned from scheme A and scheme B is 264. Now scheme B, interest is more. I'll take 0.372p minus 24p, which is equal to 264 rupees. Right? Now we get the answer. Now we get the answer easily. Right? Now this is how much? 0.24. Right? So 2, 3, 1. Right? Point P is equal to 264. Now your P is absolutely clear. It is nothing but 2000. Yes, Maharani is right, Amma. Right? It's absolutely 2000 because 132 is double of 264. Right? 132 is double of 264. Yes, your answer is absolutely right. Hope people are following. Only thing is expression. First is principle. Second is principle. Don't worry about the unknown values because P is not given. Is it right? Yeah, excellent. Your answer is clear. Hope everyone is following. So let me move to the fourth question. Great. Now this question is very simple. I'll wait for you and expect the right answer from you. Come on, please. Yes, Kabir, you also right? 2000. Great. What is the answer for this? Yes, right. Here, I have the equation x square minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. Great. What are the roots of x? 12. Minus 6 plus 2. So the answers of x values 6 minus 2. Right? Y square minus 5y minus 14 is equal to 0. 7 2s are 40, right? Minus 7 comma 2. So your y values are, right? 7 comma minus 2. Now look at the values of xy. One way, x and y both are equal, right? Another way, so 7 is greater than 6. So I'll write y is greater than or equal to x, which is not available. So I'll write like this, x is less than or equal to y. So my answer is very clear, right? D. Hope you people are clear. Is it right? These questions are compulsory for PO level exams. Top 5 questions they used to ask, right? I hope you must have to be very good in solving quadratic equation without giving more expressions, right? Yeah, Akanksha, welcome, Amma. Welcome. Your answer is right of D, right? Wonderful. Great. Move to the next question. Right. Mehul sold an item for 5.025 rupees. Don't worry about the decimal points, right? Whatever it may be. Now, let me write sold. SP is given 5.025. Wonderful. And incurred a loss of 25%. 25% loss minus. Immediately, everyone must have to think that what is his cost price, right? So whenever he sold it for this to get 25% loss, what is cost price? So CP is equal to, right? So 5.0, right? 5.025 into 100 by 75, right? Calculation, it is 4, it is 3, right? So 3 1s are 3, 20, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are, 3 5s are. So multiply with 4. 4 5s are 20, 28, 0, 30, 24, 7, 2, 4, 6, 6.7. Once again, 4 5s are 22, 28, 33, 24, 3, 27, 2, 4 ones are 4. Yes, it is the cost price. Now question is, what price should you have to sold item to have a gain of 25%? So on this 25% gain, that means 1/4 part. What is the value of 1/4 part? 4 ones are 4. I'm calculating from 6.700, 1/4 part. 4 ones are 4. So 27. 4 6 are 24. 4 7s are 4 5s are. Let me add it. 5, 7, 3, 8. Right? So 8.375 rupees. Now your answer is very clear. This is called two-stage problem. Right? A. Wonderful answer. Excellent, Ajit. Excellent, Yamini, as well as Maharani. Good, Amma, super. Your answers are great. Right? Hope you people are following. Kabir bhai, so good. Right? Wonderful. So answer is A. We have to calculate CP as well as SP. Right? Only thing is estimation of percentage. Right? Oh, great. Let me move to the next one. Fine. Okay. Come on, read the question. At least, can you please tell me the expression? What to do? Right. Respective ratio between monthly salary of Renu as well as Som is nothing but 5:3. Okay? Fine. If the monthly salaries, out of monthly salary, Renu gives 1/6 of rent, 1/6 rent, 1/5 her mother. Great. Can you guess what is the salary of Renu? Can you guess? Suppose if I take 500, I cannot take 1/6. Is it right? I cannot take 1/6. So if I take like one, it is nothing but 600. Let us take 600. Right? How we got 600? Come on. 120. 120 into 5 times, right? It is 600. So definitely it is 360. Follow my point. Follow my point. Let me assume salary of Rini is 600 because it must be a multiple of 1/6. It must be a multiple of 1/5. Now let me write. So 1/6 part of 600 rent. This is 100. 1/5 part of this is nothing but mother. 30%, right? How much? 30% is 180 is nothing but education loan and kept 25%. So 25% means 1/4 part of 600 is 150 assigned. Let me add everything, right? So this is 300, 450, 100, 550. Great. Then remaining 5,000 she kept as saving. What is our saving? Out of 600, 550 expenditure. So 50 is remaining, which is nothing but equal to 5,000 is the real value. This is as per our assumption, that is for real value. Now, I hope you got the answer. What is the answer? So what is the salary of Sam's monthly salary? 360, right? 360 is how much? Very simple. It is nothing but almost 100 times. So multiply 100 times. It is nothing but 36,000. So answer is very clear, D. Hope you understood. Any doubt? Yeah, super. Maharani, great Amma. Right? Very simple. If your assumption is right. Yeah, Kabir, great boss. Right? Super. I hope you people are following this one. right? Wonderful. Now, I think you are very clear about this kind of analysis, right? So let me move to the next one. Yeah. From the set of, okay, from the set of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 2 digits are to be taken. Wonderful. What is the probability of getting sum must be even? Super. Wonderful question. Sum must be even. Yes. What is the answer? Very simple question from probability. Great. Now, see, the set consists of 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. How many digits are there? 5. Right? We'll see that. What is the probability of getting the sum? Must be 2 digits are taken. I'll take denominator 5C2. Wonderful. Now, suppose I've taken 2 digits. This sum must be even. What is the rule to get the sum must be even? Come on. For example, 4 plus 4, 8, even. 4 plus 3, 7, odd. 3 plus 3, 6, even. What you understood looking at this example? To get the sum is even, these even plus even must be even, odd plus odd must be even. But in the question given, even number only one is there. There is no another even number. So even plus even is ruled out. Now we need to go for odd. Definitely we have to pick 2 odds, right? Now, how many odds are there? 4, right? I'll take only 2, right? If I take any 2, definitely the sum gives even. Calculation. 4 into 3 upon 5 into 4. Super. Answer is 3 by 5. Excellent. I hope you understood. Right? Very clear information. We got it. The rule is very clear. When the sum of 2 numbers must be even, the 2 numbers must be, both must be even or both must be odd. Then only you can get the sum is even. Now see, we are picking the values according to the concept. We are not picking whatever we want because we have only 5 digits are there. Out of that, only one even number is there. So one even number we cannot get we cannot do justice to the question. So 2 odd numbers are there. If you pick any 2 of that, great. Yes, all of you, good. So Alan, Akanksha, as well as Kabir, Maharani, Yamini, Great Amma, I think you understood clearly. Let me move to the next one. Wonderful. Fine. Come on, tell me the answer for this. Tell me the answer for this. Yes. Quick. This problem comes under coordinate geometry. Now you must have very quick solving capacity. Now, the graphs are 3x plus y is equal to 5, 2x minus y is equal to 5. First, let me simplify. Okay. Now, if I add 5x is equal to 10, x is equal to 2. If I substitute 2 here, right? If I substitute 2 here, 6 minus this one, y is nothing but minus 1. I'll get y is minus 1. What he said, respective points are alpha, beta. This is alpha, this is beta. Substitute here, alpha is 2, beta is 1, 6 minus 1, it is nothing but 5. Yeah, very clear. Fourth option. Yes, Kabir bhai is Your answer is absolutely right. Hope everyone must have to understand first. Don't feel that whenever the equations are given, it is something pure maths, it is something difficult. Don't create that kind of thing, right? Simple solution. Is it right? Whether we need to add or subtract. Yes, I hope you understood clearly, right? Wonderful, Amma. Now, yeah, question number next one. ABC started the business with the investment 1:2:4. Investment ratio of A is to B is to C. So 1:2:4. Okay. After 6 months, great. A invested half the amount more as before, right? So let us take X, 2X, 4X. After 6 months, A invested more half, right? B invested same amount. C invested withdraw, not invested, 1/4 of his investment. Great. So let us write clearly. So first 6 months, his payment is only X plus next 6 months, right? Half the amount invested more. X plus 4, how much? Half. That is 3/2X. Is it right? More invested. Half amount more. That is only half. In previous case X, this is 3/2X is 2. Right? Now, okay. Second one, B invested same amount. First 6 months, 2X. Next 6 months, if he invested same amount, it will become 4X. Right? First 6 months, 4X third person plus next 6 months, what is that? 1/4 of the investment is withdrawn. So 1/4 is withdrawn. So only X. Withdrawn means X withdrawn, it is 3X. Follow my point? 1/4 is withdrawn. Now calculation please. Calculation. So this is almost all 6 are left over. X plus 3/2X, 5X/2, right, is to, it is nothing but 6X is to 7X. So remove this one, multiply 5 is to 12 is to 14. Super. Your answer is clear. So it must be very clear that what you want to do it. Right? You must be very clear. Whatever you want to do according to the condition. What is A is doing? A is investing half more. Initially, X is there. If you add more, it will become 1.5. That is 3/2 for next 6 months. Next, initially he was 2X. Now same amount invested. Same in the sense 2X plus 2X will become 4X. Don't get confused. Right? I hope everyone is clear. Yes, Kabir is good. Yeah, Maharani, Gudama. Let me continue with the next one. Fine. A person marks X% above the cost price and allows a discount of 30% of the market price. See, this problem basically comes under discount. See here, cost price, then market price, discount is allowed from here. How much? 30% discount is allowed. Goods X% above, right? Right? And his profit is 5%. Profit, I used to look at 5% is the profit. Right. What is his profit? Then what is the value of X? What is this X value? Come on, anyone, can you share the idea? Come on, quick. Yeah, 50. Okay, one of my friends said 50. First choice. Let us take 50% he has taken above. Let me take. Right. Okay. Now, suppose my cost price is 100. I have taken 50% above 150. I have taken 30% less. 30% means 45. Remove this one, 105. Yes, absolutely 5% is the profit. Right. Your answer is clear. Excellent, Maharani. Superama. Excellent. You have taken through option. Wonderful. Otherwise, you need to write more number of steps. Right? Okay. So I hope everyone understood. Move to the next one. Okay. A right circular cylinder of maximum volume is cut out from a solid wooden cube. Wooden cube. Right. So this is cube. Right? A cylinder, right? A cylinder also covered like this. So if the length or edge of the cube is L, I'll take this radius is L by 2 and height is definitely L. Now I'm assuming dimensions. The material left is what percent of the volume of the original cube? So original cube volume, right? Cube volume is very clear, L cube. Leave it. Now the material left after cutting the cylinder. So this is the material, we need to leave it. How to calculate? Right. So whole volume minus pi, right? Pi r square. R square means L square by 4 into height is L. Calculation, right? It's 14 minus 11, 3L cube by 7. It is the leftover volume. It is the leftover volume, right? Now question is given, material left is what percent of original? Material left is this 3 by 7 L cube by whole into 100, right? Simple. So 300 by 7, 7 fours are 28, right? 20 approximately. So what is the percent? What percent of that? Right? What is the percent of that? I think we got, we did not get the value. Somewhere I read wrong, right? Okay, I think this is 3 by 14, right? 3 by 14, sorry, right? If I divide by 14, 14 2s are 28, 20, 14 1s are 14, maximum 6, we can take as 21, right? Great. It is 3 by 14, 3 by 14 L cube, right? 14 minus 11, 3 by 14. I hope you understood, right? So this is very clear, right? Yeah, wonderful. 150 by 7, even you can take 150 by 7 also, you can get the same answer. Wonderful, boss. Maharani Gudama, right? Well done. 3 by 14. Yeah, Kabir is good. Your answer is fourth choice. Great, wonderful. Let me move to the next one. Okay. Fine. Come on, tell me the answer for this. Yes, please, immediately, quick. Fourth answer. Yes, please. Now, let me read the question. Anu sold an article for 480 rupees. This is CP, SP, 480. At some profit, she got some profit, X. So profit is here, 480 minus X. Right? Had he sold it for rupees 400, right, there would have been loss equal to loss. Loss how much? X minus 400. This is profit, this is loss. This loss is equal to 1/3 of initial profit. This loss, X minus 400, is equal to 1/3 of previous profit. I think what is the cost price of the article X? Let us try to do this. 3x minus 1200 is equal to 480 minus x. So this is 4x is equal to 1200 minus 400, 800. 800 minus 80, 720. So x is equal to how much? 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 0. Right? Now, is it clear? No. No. X does not give what you call cost price. Let us go through option. Yeah, Maharani said 420. Great. 420, 420. Right? Wonderful. Now, so the profit is 60, loss is 20. Right? This loss 20, which is equal to 1/3 of profit 60. Yeah, right? Super simple. So again, this makes difficult. Right? Hope you are clear about all these things. Right? Now, so move to the next one. Great. Come on, quick answer. Quick answer for this. Simplification comes under simplification. Right? Great. What is the value? All of you. Should have to give the answer now. Come on. Right. So this value I would like to take as 134, right, into 17. This part is very ignorable, is equal to x into 40 plus 278. Great. Right. 17 fours are 68. Okay. 17 threes are 51. Okay. 22. So minus 278. Great. 2000 is equal to 40x. Clear? Yeah, excellent, Kabir. Your answer is 50. See, this is called approximation. Approximation. Yeah, great. Approximation of. Yeah, good, Maharani. Excellent, Akanksha. Good, Amma. Your answers are all right. Move to the next one. Right. The concentration of glucose in different mixtures, glucose and alcohol, is 1/2, 3/4, 4/5 respectively. Right. So let me write clearly. Okay. In this glucose and alcohol mixture is given 1/2. Similarly, right, it is 3/5 and it is 4/5 respectively. If 2 liters from here and 3 liters from here and 1 liter from here taken out, these 3 different vessels are mixed, fine. I'll take 2 plus 3 plus 1, 6 liters. I've taken separately. Great. What is the ratio of glucose and alcohol? Anyone? Try for this. Yes? Yamini, Akanksha, doing well? Yes, all of you kindly respond immediately. Right? Excellent. Good. A, 4:5. Yeah, Kabir is giving answer 4:5. Let me find out. Now, see, 2 liters from half. 2 into half plus 3 into 3/5 plus 1 into 4/5. If I take 5 plus 9 plus 4, how much this is? If I take 5, 5 plus 9 plus 4, 13, 18. 18 by 5. So this is 18 by 5. Okay? Is it clear all of you? Any calculations wrong? Right? It is 9 by 5, 4 by 5. So if I take LCM of 5, so 5 plus 9 plus this one, 13 plus 5, 18 by 5. Great. Now, he took remaining is alcohol, that is from 6 liters. If I remove by 18 by 5, 30 minus 18, 12 by 5. Right? I'll take 18 is to 12. So 6 twos, 6 threes. This is the clear information of glucose and alcohol. It is nothing but 3 is to 2. Super. Excellent. Right? Wonderful question. Because we have taken first part, remaining part you get from 6 liters. So you can get the answer easy. Is it clear all of you? Great. Your answer is second one, 3 is to 2. Now in mixture problem, right? We should take 2 off, 3 off, 1 off. Follow my point? Super. Great. Move to the next one. Wonderful. Data interpretation. Right? Great. Read question properly. We'll get the answer. See, given the following table shows the percentage of marks obtained by 5 students in different subjects like maths, biology, Hindi, English, physics, chemistry, almost all 6 subjects. Ajay, Kavita, Neeraj, Rohit and Mamta. Fine. What is the average marks scored by all in maths? All in maths. Average in the sense, everything I have to take. I'll take very simple addition. These two comes 130, right? It is nothing but 130, together 260, right? And another thing is 66 is nothing but 326% of 200. Is it right? See, in percentage, you should not take, you can write like this also, 326 into 200% also, both are same. What is the meaning of 200%? 100% double. So this is double. How much? 52, 6. Now we got the total. What do you have to calculate? Average. How many people are there? 5. Right? 5 ones, 5 threes are 15, 0, 5 6 are, where is the answer? Approximately 5 fours are 20. Your answer is clear. Hope you are following my point. Excellent. First choice is correct, Kabir. Good. 130.4. I think calculation must be careful. Right? You must have you must be very good about calculations. Wonderful, Andy. Move to the next one. I hope you understood this figure. Right? Great. Be smart in the calculation, though the question is very simple. Right. What is the total marks scored by Rohit? All subjects together. So Rohit, all subjects together. So let me write clearly one step. Right? 72% of 200, 60% of this, 46% of 100. I'll write. Now, 72% of 200 plus 60% of 75 plus 46% of 100 plus, okay, 63% of 100 plus 54% of 75 plus, sorry, I'm talking about Rohit, right? It is 92. It is 92. 72. Okay. Last one is 56. 56% of 50. So don't worry about the calculation. Look at the board carefully. It is nothing but 72 of 200%. I'll take this one as 144. It is nothing but 3/4 part. So 45. So it is 100%, 46. 90 to 100%, 92, right? 72 into 3/4 part, following, right? So 4 ones, 4 eights, it is nothing but 54. So 50% means half, 28. Let me add everything. So 10, 20, 29, 2, 4, 9, 18, 18, what do you call 12, 20, 2, so 3. Wonderful. It is nothing but, sorry, 4. Okay, so 409 is the answer. Is it correct, all of you? This is very clear. So 10, 20, 29. Okay, so 29, 2. Next 4, 9, 18, 22, 8, 30, 3, 409. So your answer is clear. Second option. Right? Yes. Is it clear, all of you? We are not calculating average. We are calculating only total. Right? Here we are calculating total marks. Yes? Answer is very clear. Second option. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, wonderful, Maharani. Calculation must be smart. Okay. Right. Wonderful. Let me go for another one. What is 20% of difference between, finally we need to take 20%. Right? What is 20% of difference between total marks obtained by Mamta in maths and bio? Right. I'll take Mamta. So Mamata maths, 66% of 200. So Mamata biology, 54% of 75. Can you please tell me the answer? Okay. 200% is 132 plus 54 into 3 by 4. We'll get some decimal. So 54 into 3 by 4 part. So 4 ones are 4. How much this is? Right. So 4 threes are 12, 20. So 4 fives are. So 3 fives are 15. Okay. 15, 1. 3 threes are 10, 1. Okay. 4. It's nothing but 172.5. Clear. It's about Mamata. Now, obtained by her, Mamata only Hindi and English together. I'll take Hindi and English. Right? What is Hindi? 68% of 100. I'll take 68% of 100 plus, and English. What is English? 63% of 100. So I'll take directly nothing but 131. Is it right? 131. What is the difference of this? Right? 172.5, 131. Difference is 41.5. Is it right? Now, I want to calculate 20%. How to get 20% of this one? 20% means 1 by 5. 1 by 5th part. So 5 8s are 40, 5 3s are. Super. Your answer is very clear. Right? Yes, good. Come here. Super. Your answer is absolutely right. Is it right? Now, should be very smart. Is it right? Questions must be very smart. Questions are very simple. Only thing is calculation. Yeah, Akanksha. Right, Amma. Super. Right. Next one. Yeah, please. Now, what is the ratio between Ajay maths and Hindi to Kavita same subjects? I'll take Ajay and Kavita. So maths and Hindi, right? Maths and Hindi. Let me write clearly. Ajay, maths, 67% of 200 plus Hindi, right? 49% of 100 is to Kavita. Kavita, maths, 58% of 200, right? Plus Hindi. Hindi means 77% of 100. Good? Yes, nice. Calculation. Be clear, right? It is nothing but 134. plus 49, right? Very clear, 183. Following. So 200%. How much this is? 116 plus 100%, 77, right? 110 plus 70, 180. 180 plus 13, 193, right? 193. Can you please tell me the answer? Your answer is absolutely. We cannot simplify this one, right? So 116, 77, 13, 193. 193 cannot divide by anything which is not there in the choice. Answer is none of this. Good, Kabir. Super. Your answer is absolutely right. Right? Wonderful, Amma. Move to the next one. X. Super. None of this. Maharani, great, Amma. Marks scored by Rohit in chemistry is how much more or less than marks scored by in biology. Now, talking about Rohit, comparison with chemistry as well as biology, right? Now, look here, chemistry. So Rohit chemistry, I'll take 56 of 50, 56% of 50. Biology Rohit, 60% of 75. Come on, let me calculate. 50% is 28, right? So 75 means 3/4 part. So 15 threes are 45. Now more or less, it is absolutely less. How much less? It's very clear, 17 less. It is not percentage, right? It is not percentage. Percentage means different. How to calculate percentage? This is how much less than this one? 17 less than 45 into 100. But they are not asking about percentage. So value. I hope you understood clearly. Is it right? So this is about data interpretation. We have done 5 questions, right? Hope you people are following me. Move to the next one. Great. Right. Also simplification, right? Super. Simplification. Yeah, excellent, all of you. Responding well. Right, if you're following and understanding, press bell icon to subscribe the channel. Now please, the question is there on the screen. What is the answer? Yeah, Yamini, Kabir Bhai, Maharani, Akanksha. Come on, Josna, everyone. What is the answer? Simple simplification. See, square root of 12098 into this one. Please don't try to do this is what you call all these things, right? Now, see exactly root of, if I take as like this, it is nothing but 110, right? Approximate value into, right? So 35 plus 150, great, 0, 11 5s are 55, 5, 33, 38, right? So 150, nothing but 4,000, great, okay, super, yeah, Maharani, great, Amma. Your answer is 4,000, absolutely, is it right? Great. Now, continue this one. Yes, please. Move to the next one. A container contains mixture of milk and water is 7:x. If 20 liters of water is added, right? 20 liters of water is added, the mixture become 7:15, right? And another stage, right? So milk and water is initially 7:x. If 10 liters of water is added, right? So 10 liters is added, it will become 14:25. Find the initial quantity of milk in the mixture. Anyone? Anyone, please? What is the answer? Shall I take through option? Right. I'll go through option. Fine. So what kind of option will be there? So milk is 7. Almost all are multiples of 7. Yes? All are multiples of 7 only. Is it right? 42? Yes, Kabir, shall I go through 42? Yes, wonderful. Okay, I'll go through 42. As Kabir said, right, 42, 6 times, right? How much it will be? 7:15. So if I take 42 is to 6 times, means definitely it is 90. Is it right? Initially, how much it was? 15. I think 42 does not works. 42 does not works. 14, yeah, great. If I take 14, right, twice. Now, double. Here, how much it will be? Double. 7:15 exactly. 7:15, right? Or else, if you want to do that, if you want to do, right, I know one thing. Okay. Okay, this is 7:15. So why can't you do like this? This is the 7K, XK is added 20 liters. This will become 7:15. Following? This is one way of expression. Now, so simply, strictly speaking that, so if you do like this, 7 gets cancelled, right? So 15 into, this is 15K is equal to 7 gets cancelled. So XK plus 20. Is it right? So I get the value of K is nothing but, what you call 20 by 15 minus X. We find the same value. We find the same value of K. Now, here is 7k xk plus 10, which is equal to this. Again, 7 gets cancelled, right? So 25k is equal to 2 times 2k plus 20. Now I'll get k here, 20 by 25 minus k, minus 2k. 25 minus 2. Okay, wonderful. Minus 10. Okay, 2 minus 10. This is xk. Wonderful. X. Great. Now I'll substitute 15x is equal to, sorry, 15 minus x is equal to 25 minus x minus 2x. Then what is the value of x? X is absolutely 10. X is absolutely 10. Right? Now this gives a clear information. X is 10 means what is the value of water? What is the value of water? Right? I got the value of x is 10. Substitute here 10, 5, 4. K value is 4. So 4 sevens are 28. Simple. That means taking through choice, if you are unable to do that, make everything is equal. Right? Make everything is equal. Get the answer. Follow my point. Move to the next one. Please take care of this one. 2 stages. One is what is the value of k. Another is what is the value of k. Then make it is equal to get the value of x. X is not the value because x represents water. Right? Now. Okay. We bought 12 jeans at a discount of 12.5%. If cost price of one jean is 80% of the market price of one jean, and the total profit obtained on all the jeans is given. Can you please tell me the answer? Yes, try everyone. Okay, good. Please try, all of you. You try to do either through option or directly. Yeah. Yes, Maharani, Yamini, Kabir, have you got the answer? Fine. So when they're talking about discount, I just leave this one, 12 jeans. Let me talk with only one jeans. Discount 12, see, it is CP, SP, sorry, MP, mark price. Discount is 12.5%. That means what? 1/8 part. Other one jean 80% of, see, cost price of one jean is 80% of the market price. Great. Let me assume market price is this one, 80% is 800. Great. Now I want to take 1/8 part of this. Right? What is 1/8 part of 1000? What is 1/8 part of 1000? Come on. How much you got? 1/8 part of 1000. So come on. 1/8 part of 1000. 125. Is it right? 125. Otherwise, you can do it. 8 ones are 8, 20, 8 twos are 16, 40, 8 fives are. So 125. So 125 discount is given. Right? Minus how much it will be? 875. What is the profit exactly? 75. So this is the 75 rupees profit for one jeans. Like 12 jeans, 12 fives are 60, 6, 12 sevens are 84, 900. What is his, what do you call, profit on all the jeans? 1800. Right? Then what is the cost price? Please calculate clearly. What is the answer of this one? Come on. I think you people are not following. Let me talk very clearly once again. Right. Yeah. See, a person bought 12 genes. Forget about these 12 genes. We'll first talk about one gene. Jahanavi, you have given answer D. Great. We'll see that. Maharani 1600. We'll see all these things. Fine. See, cost price, market price, and also selling price. See, given cost price of one gene is 80% of the market price. Market price is 1000. Cost price is 80%, only 800. And what do you call 20%, 12.5, 1/8 part of this 1000 is discount, is given on one market price. So it's very clear, 125, right? 125 is nothing but 1/8 part. How much? 1/8 part is very clear. 1/8 part. How much? 125. Subtract 875. Clear? 875. Now, what is the profit? 75 for 12 genes, right? For 12 genes. Now, otherwise you can take one gene profit, right? So, what is the cost price of one gene, right? Now we can take, this is 1800 for 12. 12 5s are 60. 12 7s are 84. 900. So, 1800, right? So when this is our calculation, this is this calculation. What is 800 given? Double, double. 1600 is the answer. Absolutely E. Hope you are following. Comparison of all these things. Maharani Gudama, right? Your answer is E. Great. Simple comparison with original and given values. Is it right? Wonderful. Yeah. E is the answer. Great. Kabir and everyone. Great. Fine. Good. Fine. What is the answer for question number average? Question average. Come on, read carefully. Confused average question. Yeah, wonderful. All of you, please respond properly. Right? Your all the answers are correct. Exactly correct. Please try to do carefully. Yes. Average age of mother, father, son was 42 years at the time of marriage of the son. Son marriage, average of mother, father, son is 42. I'm taking sum, absolutely 126 years. Great. This is the sum of the ages of all the people at the time of son's marriage. Great. After 1 year, right? After 1 year, they got the marriage. After 1 year, infant was born in the family. Infant was born in the family. Now, what to do this one? Come on. Yes, all of you. Yes. Expression is very important. After 1 year, infant is born in the family. That means mother, father, son, bride, and infant. Right? This is after 1 year. Great. Can you please tell me how to write after 1 year? Come on, tell me. After 6 years. Come on. Yes, all of you. After 1 year, what is the situation first of all? The average is 36. Great. So I'll write 36 into 6, sorry 5, right? 5, 30, 3, 15, 180 years. Is it right? 5 members are there, 180. So let me write mother, father, son after 6 years, right? How much it will be? 6, 6, 6. Almost all, I need to add 18. So 126 initially plus 18, it is nothing but 144. Following my point? 144. Now, let me subtract from 180 minus this one, it is absolutely 36 years. What is this? B plus I. B plus I, infant. So B plus I is equal to 36. Okay? So now infant is how many years right now? Infant is how many years? 5 years, because after 1 year marriage, right? So this is after 5 years. So bride is equal to 36 minus 5 is equal to 31. So your answer is absolutely 31 years. So before marriage, right? What was the bride at the time of marriage? At the time of marriage means, so 6 years ago, right? 6 years ago, it was 25. Follow my point? It was 25. Confused? Forward, backward, forward, backward. Great. It's very simple. Follow my point? Yes, absolutely, all of you. Great. So this is the average question. First, these people 6 years, right? After 6 years, the difference gives very clear information. After what you call bride and after marriage, definitely bride. After 1 year, they said infant is born. So the equation is 180. Hope is clear. Wonderful. So I think this is the last question. Let me go. Great. Okay. An open box is made of wood 2 centimeter thick. Open box is made 2 centimeter thick. Come on, read it and at least can you express it properly? What are the items to be considered, right? What are the items to be considered? This is very important, right? Come on, please. Yeah. Maharani, 25 years. Great. Yeah, last question, please. Open box is made of wood 2 centimeter thick. Let me draw the picture, all of you. Look at it. This is open box. The box is like this, having some thickness. Let me show you. So the thickness is 2, right? 2 centimeter thickness. Its internal length is, right? So 86 internal, and the breadth is 46, height is 38. Great. The cost of painting outer surface of the box, outer surface of the box is rupees 10 per square meter. Great. Now I need to calculate the total surface area. In bracket given, excluding outer upper edge. Upper is open. That's what you should not take. Now, this length will become 86 plus 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 90. This will become 450. It will become 442. Right? Only they have given internal length, internal breadth, and clear. Follow my point? Right. First, let me take very clearly, right? Lateral surface area plus bottom surface area. I am not going to consider top. Lateral, it is nothing but 2h into L plus B. Bottom is only LB, base area, right? This is the only area you need to take, right? Now, 2 into height 42, L plus B 140. Great. It is 280. 42 into 28, right? So we get the answer, right? We gave the answer 42 into 28. So 42. Right, Andy? So 42 into 28. So 16, 1, 12, sorry, 32. 32, 4, 36, 37, 3. So 8, 3, 11. So adjust how many points? Not adjustment. 11706 plus LB. It is nothing but 45, 00. Addition. So 0, 6, 12, 1, 6, 1. So 162.60. 162.60. Right. So we need to add bottom also. I think, is it clear all of you? Once again, let me explain the calculation part. Yeah, let me do the calculation part. Okay, fine. Right. Now my length, breadth, height. So everything is given in terms of what you call centimeter. Otherwise, I'll write in meters directly. It is 0.9. It is 0.9. Okay. It is 0.9, 0.5, 0.42. Right. So 2h into L plus B, curved surface area and the bottom area. Come on. I think this is the only calculation to get the answer fast. Right. Curved surface, 2 into h, 0.42. This is absolutely 1.4. Right. It is 0.84 into 1.4. Multiply. So 84, 14. So 84, 14. What is the value? 80 and 14. How much is the value? Come on. See, here I should not take 42, please. Because 38 is the internal height. How to take internal height? Only thickness is only 2. I'll take 40, not 42. Follow my point? I should take only 40. Great, great. Now calculation, Amma. So 0.8 into 1.4. 8 4s are 32. 3. 8 1s are 8. 11. So 1.12. Wonderful. 1.12. Now, what about base area? Base area is 0.9 into 0.5. So it is 0.45. Let me add it. 1.12, 0.45, 1.67. Right? I hope you understood clearly. 57. 1.57. So this must be multiplied with 10 rupees per meter square. Right? So 157, 15.7. Right? Your answer is clear. I said only 2 points. One is, this is called curved surface area is 2h into L plus B plus base area is LB. That's enough. Calculation must be very careful. Why? Because everything is given in terms of centimeter. I have written in this one. So once again, I'll tell 1 point, then I close it. Right? Once again. Right. So here, the values to be considered. Right? The values to be considered. Okay, right. Okay, here is what you call length is 86 internal. Okay. Internal length is 86 and here is 46. So why I have taken 4? Here thickness is 2, 4 I am adding 90 and 4 and 4 50. Here top is open. Definitely we need to take bottom thickness. So 32 plus 2 is nothing but 40. This is the clear information. Yes, good, very clearly. So thank you very much. So I hope everyone understood all the questions. We have done all the questions clearly, and be careful about the calculation part, and especially mensuration. Remember the formulas: curved surface area, total surface area. What are the things to be considered? Sometimes they used to ask, in a room they want to whitewash, excluding windows and doors. So we need to omit all those things. Then you can write it. Follow my point? Hope you are good in the calculations. Try to improve that. And my request, everyone, learn all the basic concepts for the tomorrow sessions, logical reasoning. So thank you very much. Thank you all. Good day. Have a nice.